plus SEO title, description, keywords, and hashtags. Step-by-step fix guide. Update drivers and game PU crashes in Unreal Engine games often happen because of driver incompatibility or corrupt files. Step 1. Update GPU drivers. NVIDIA, please open your app to see this link. AMD, please open your app to see this link. Intel, please open your app to see this link. Step 2. Verify game files. Steam. Library, right-click Mafia, The Old Country, Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. Epic Games, Library, click, Manage, Verify. Fix Unreal Engine GPU crash triggered. Step 1. Lower graphics load. Launch game, settings, texture quality medium, disable ray tracing, disable DLSS, FSRS, turn shadows to medium or low. This reduces GPU VRAM overload. Step 2. Force stable DirectX version. In game's launch options, you can see the code in our conversation history. If still crashing, try. You can see the code in our conversation history. Step 3. Delete shader cache. Go to You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Delete shader cache folder. 3. Relaunch game. It will rebuild shaders. Hash advanced Unreal Engine crash fixes. Step 1. Increase virtual memory. 1. WinR, type sysdm.cpl. 2. Go to advanced performance settings. 3. Advanced virtual memory, disable auto manage set. Initial size equals RAM and 1.5. Max size is RAM's 3. Step 2. Disable overclocking. Reset GPU CPU clocks to default in MSI Afterburner or BIOS. Step 3. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. Download VC++ Plex 64 and x86. Please open your app to see this link and install both. Last resort. If still crashing, 1. Backup saves from you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Uninstall game and delete leftover folders in you can see the code in our conversation history. Reinstall fresh. #SEO Mafia